Welcome to Kaiko Lessons. The chapter which we are going to discuss today is The Mumbai Musicians, which is taken from the book Marigold, English, Class 2, NCERT syllabus. And this is Prithvi Vinod who is going to present you this video. Once upon a time, there lived a donkey named Gopu. He had worked for many years in the house of a farmer. He had carried many heavy sacks of corn and sugarcane from farm to the factory. He was now very tired and old. The farmer said to Gopu, "You are a good donkey. Take this sack of corn and go and see the world before you become too old." Gopu smiled and said goodbye. He set off towards the city of Mumbai. "I am good at music. I will go to Mumbai and be a musician there." On the way, he met a dog. "Where are you going?" asked Dupu. "I am going to Mumbai to be a musician." "Would you like to come too?" asked Gopu. "Yes, I would," replied Dupu. Off went the two friends on the dusty road to Mumbai. They saw a ball of fur in the middle of the road. "Who are you?" they asked. "I am Furry, the cat," said the cat. "Would you like to come with us to become a musician?" asked Gopu and Dupu together. "Oh, I would love to come along," replied Furry. So off went the three together to become Mumbai musicians. Soon they met Cuckoo, the cock. "I love music and wish to join your band." They all reached a house with a light. They were tired and hungry. They peeped in through the window and saw a table with delicious food. They desired to sing to let the people inside know that they were musicians. They sang. The people inside thought that ghosts have come to scare them. They ran away as fast as they could. Gopu, Dupu, and Furry went into the house and ate the food till they could eat no more. And the story is adapted from The Bremen Town Musicians by Grimm. Write the meaning for the words. Tired, in need of sleep or rest. Musician, a person who plays musical instrument. Keeped, look quickly at something. Delicious, tasty. Ghost, dead person which is believed to appear. Scare, fear. Make sentences of your own. Tired, I am tired of studying. Musician, he is a well-known musician. Peeped, my grandfather peeped out of the door. Delicious, my sister baked a very delicious cake. Ghost, my friend always scares ghost stories with me. Scare, the cat scares me terribly. Answer the following. Why did the farmer tell Gopu to see the world? The farmer tells Gopu to see the world as he was now very tired and old. Why did Gopu, Dupu, and Furry want to go to Mumbai? Gopu, Dupu, and Furry wanted to go to Mumbai to become musicians. Why did the people in the house run away? People in the house ran away as they thought ghosts have come to scare them. Let's talk. If you were to join the animal band, which animal would you want to be? Create the sound of that animal. Get together with your friends. As a group, create the sound of the animal each one of you wants to be. What do you want to be? I would want to be a tiger. The donkey saw a ball of fur and it was a cat. If you were to see a big ball of fur, what could that be? If I were to see a big ball of fur, then it would be a polar bear. Let's sort out these words. Pick the word from the bags and put them on the right shelf. One has been done for you. Say the words loud. Short E words. What are the short E words? leg, nest, bell and will. Short I words. What are the short I words from the bag? Pig, fish, hip and lip. Long E words. Deep, tree, seed, meal and street. Long I words. Smile, kite, dice, line. Let's write. Do you play any musical instrument? Yes, I play drums. If no, which instrument do you want to learn? I would like to learn how to play guitar. Add the words of the opposite gender in the given sentences. Anju's mother and father came to the school. My uncle and aunt came to visit us on Monday. The lion and lioness looked lovingly at their cub. The king and queen sat on beautiful thrones. The man is running and the woman is walking. My grandfather and grandmother went to the market. In what way are these musical instruments different from each other? Put them into three groups based on how they are played. Here are the list of musical instruments. So, using fingers, which all instruments you play? Tabla, dafli and dolak. And using strings, which all instrument you play? Guitar, sitar, violin and iktara. Instruments that you blow on, that is using your mouth. Shanai and flute. This is the picture of a musical instrument called a jal tarang. Make your own jal tarang. Get 6 to 10 bowls of the same size and shape. Pour water into the bowls. Keep the water at different levels. Use two pencils and strike the rim of the bowls to make musical sound. The words jal tarang is made up of two words, jal, water, tarang, music. Now make new words by joining two words. One has been done for you. News plus paper, newspaper. School plus bag, school bag. Tooth plus paste, toothpaste. Neck plus lace, necklace. Some plus one, someone. Bath plus room, bathroom. Time plus table, timetable. Foot plus ball, football. Car plus pet, carpet. Thank you, kids.